Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a makeup haul. I have accumulated quite a few products that I decided to put together kind of all in one haul. So it's going to be stuff that I ordered from Camera Ready Cosmetics and Sephora, and two things from Amazon. So I kind of put it all together in one big haul that I wanted to share with you. So if you're interested in what I got for myself and my kit, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna start with the Camera Ready Cosmetics website. As you know, or you may not know, but it's one of my favorite websites to shop on for makeup, and that's where I get the majority of my stuff for my kit and actually myself, because if you're a makeup artist or an esthetician or a cosmetologist, you actually get a discount on that website. And I say this to everybody because they sell brands like Becca, Makeup Forever, and Laurent Mercier even. So you can get things like that on there for a discounted price. That's why I rarely shop at Sephora unless I need something that Camera Ready Cosmetics doesn't have. So the first thing I got is a brush cleaner. This is the one that I tried in my previous haul I showed. This one is the Perrier Spirit brush cleaner. I got the big bottle because I put this into like a spray bottle that I take with me whenever I go on jobs. And oh, it's cool, it has a manufacturing date of 7/21/20, so that's kind of nice. But yeah, so I got this big one. I also tried the Cinema Secrets one. I got a little size of it and I really liked it as well, but this one for some reason I just like a little bit more. So I got a big jug of that because I do go through it pretty quick. The next thing I got is this Inglot Sparkling Dust Face, Eyes and Body. I initially thought this was kind of like an eyeshadow, to be honest with you, like a smaller eyeshadow size, but no, it comes with like a puff like this. And it's a lot bigger, as you can see, so you can use this kind of like as a highlighter, as an eyeshadow. So I'll put some like this for you to show you. This is what it looks like, and this is the color number 7. So this is the color. You can like use it as like a highlighter, put it like on your body, eyes, really anywhere. So I got that because I do go through quite a bit of colors like this, especially for brides and things like that. So I figured I'd give it a try, and I'm, I guess, kind of happy that the size is pretty big. The next thing I got is a setting spray. This is a Scandinavia setting spray. This is a bridal setting spray. I've never tried this one, but I figured I would try it. Because I've heard a lot about it, and it says it's a bridal makeup finishing spray. I really don't know what the difference would be, but let's see. Looks like a normal mist, not too chunky. I actually didn't set my makeup today, so we'll see how this works. Smells good. But yeah, if you guys tried this before, then let me know in the comments down below, but I never tried it, so we'll see how this works for me. It says fine mist, oil free and paraben free, so that's kind of cool. I literally just got that in my mouth. The next thing I got is some lip liners. Again, these are from NYX. My favorite lip liners are from NYX. They're only about $3 with your discount. I got one in the shade Natural. I'll swatch that for you. It's like a pinky nude. I feel like a lot of brides would do this color. I got the shade Mauve, which is a bit more pink, cooler tone right next to it. And the color, of course, Nude Beige. I already own this one. I use it for myself, for my customers. It's this one right here. And it's literally like the best, most perfect nude lip liner ever. I'm obsessed with it. So I got those. And then I got a pencil from Makeup Forever. This is the Waterproof Aqua XL Makeup Forever eye pencil in the color D12. I think it's like the sparkly black. It's just a regular black pencil to use in the waterline and things like that. And that's all I got from Camera Ready Cosmetics. So next we're gonna go on to Amazon. Two things I purchased off Amazon. The number one thing is this makeup remover slash toner slash skin prep before makeup for yourself, customers, or really anyone. It's amazing. I feel like a lot of Russian makeup artists and Russian YouTubers talk about this a ton, and I've never really noticed any American makeup artists or bloggers in general talk about this product. You can get it on Amazon. I want to say it was like $26. I'll link it down below. It's the Payot lotion perfecting radiance boosting perfecting lotion with, this is the one with raspberry extracts. It smells unbelievable. It smells so good. Kind of has like a fruity, like light scent to it. It comes with a pump, so you just pump it on like a cotton pad and put it all over your face. I do it after I wash my face. I'll go over with this and then I'll follow up with my skincare. And also it's really, really good to prep clients' skin before makeup. Smells, like I said, amazing. It doesn't dry out your skin, removes any like residue, leftover makeup or anything like that. It's a really, really cool product to have actually in your kit and just for yourself in general. Try it, you won't be disappointed, especially because you can get it on Amazon. Next is a foundation from Bourjois Paris. I don't really know how to pronounce it. It's called Healthy Mix Foundation. This is in the shade, I think it was like beige something. I can't find the shade. It's number 53. This is what it looks like. Again, I got this off Amazon, super inexpensive. I want to say it was like $11 or even $8 actually. This is really, really nice for normal to dry skin. It doesn't accentuate any dryness if you have any of that on your skin. And for more mature clients, this looks beautiful on, especially for the price. It's really, really awesome, and I highly recommend you guys trying this out because again, I feel like not enough people talk about this. They have a couple other ones which are amazing. Again, I've heard about this foundation from Russian bloggers and Russian makeup artists, and no one really talks about these, or at least I haven't noticed. So I tried it myself, and I have like combination to oily skin, and it still worked beautiful for me. I really, really like it. Especially I think for the winter time, and it says it has 16-hour wear, so I'll link that down below as well, again because of the price. It's awesome. You guys, I forgot to mention one more thing. This is a brush cleaner. It looks funny, right? Kind of like the packaging. This brush cleaner I got from Camera Ready Cosmetics. It's the Crazy Merman 2-ounce brush soap in guava fig. It's kind of like a solid soap like this. I already used it to wash all my brushes today. It has a really nice scent, just very, very light and clean smelling, not super sweet or anything like that, and it worked amazing. Cleaned my brushes beautiful. I just take this, I wet the brush, I swirl it in the soap like this, then I just swirl it in my hand and wring it out until the water comes out clean. I noticed that I prefer a solid brush cleaner better rather than a liquid brush soap. And this was also pretty inexpensive, and I'm sure they sell it on Amazon as well. Next, I have some Tarte products I purchased. The first is going to be this Pink Avenue Princess bronzer kit thing. It has a nice variety of shades. I don't want to blind you. In there, as you can see, you can use these top as setting powders, and then the rest you can use as bronzers. It goes pretty dark. It has 2 shades that are matte and then 2 shades that are kind of slightly shimmery, which is kind of nice. So you have that option if you want more of like a bronzy glowy look or more like to contour. Ooh, that was blinding me. And the next thing I got was for my kit. It's my favorite concealers. They are the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. I got 4 shades when they had their sale going on. I think these were like 50% off on the website. I got the shade 16N Fair Light Neutral. And then I got Light Medium 29N. Then I got 38N Medium Tan Neutral, and then Deep and 53 Deep. So I got these 4 shades. I feel like they're pretty universal to either used for contour or just for the skin to conceal anything in general. So these are really awesome. Next thing I got is all from Sephora, so I'll go over that really quickly. These I purchased a couple of them on the website itself, and then a couple of the things in store while they had their sale going on, the one where it's like $15 off of 75 or $20 off 100. So that's where I made these purchases. The first one being this Dior highlighter in the color 001 Universal. Looks like this, and let me tell you, I don't know why people don't talk about these, because these are literally like amazing, and I feel like they were like forgotten about. Like they're literally like so pretty. Like right now look at how nice they are. They're so smooth and so finely milled. And then this darker one, I'll swatch right here. Look at how pretty they are. Like, are we joking? They look so beautiful, and I have it on today, if you can tell. And I've been using it on my customers as well, and it makes such a difference. I'm obsessed. I think I literally want the second one, the darker one they have, and I love it. I literally love it. And my dog is scratching at the door. One moment. Anyways, she always does that when she wants to get out. So yes, this is amazing. The next thing I got is 2 foundations. The first one being Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, which I've been wanting to get for a very long time, but I just never got around to it. I finally got it in the shade 5. Now, this is my perfect shade in the winter time, and for now, it like matches me, but it's definitely a little too light. So I have been mixing it with this one that I purchased. This one is the Touche Éclat YSL foundation. This one is in the color 30 Almond, so it's definitely a little bit dark for me. Well, actually, it's probably my best color when I'm more tan, but this summer I haven't really been tanning much. I'm actually wearing both of these right now. I mixed them. So I did a pump of the Giorgio Armani and the pump of YSL Touche Éclat, and I really like them together. Again, I have combination to oily skin, but I like kind of looking a little bit dewy. If anything, just bake your face a little bit longer so you're not like super shiny throughout the day. But beautiful coverage on this one. It's a little bit more creamy than this foundation. This one I still do really like. I just expected kind of more from it, to be honest. It's super nice, don't get me wrong, but this one smells a little bit better. Also, I also haven't really tried applying this with a brush, so maybe I'll do that. But I like both of them, honestly, and I would definitely repurchase. I do enjoy both, and I like the finish that they give to the skin. It's a pretty natural to satin finish, not matte. So I like both of these a lot. Next, I got a brow product. This is the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. It's just a clear brow gel. Looks like this. I have it on today. I really like it. I like that it's clear. I just brush up my brows every single day. If I'm either, well, today I filled them in, but normally if I don't fill them in, I just use this, and I really like it because I do have brow hairs and I'm trying to grow them out. So sometimes it's kind of nice to just kind of brush through them in the morning. And next thing is actually my obsession. So it's this YSL, their Liquid Matte Couture Matte Satin number 7 lipstick. So this is in the color 7. I'm wearing it right now on my lips. My friend was actually wearing this color, and she's a lot more tan than me, a lot more tan. So it looked amazing on her. It looked like the most perfect, slightly pinky nude color on her, like a pinky peach. And I was obsessed with it, but of course I'm way lighter than her, so on me it looks totally different. It looks more of like a pinky peach, definitely not like a nude like it was on her. But this is what the color looks like. I'll do a swatch on the back of my hand, and again, I'm wearing it on my lips right now. I'm in love with this formula. Like, I literally could talk about this product forever. I'm obsessed. It's kind of like super like liquidy, kind of like very watery. When you apply it on the lips, super thin. It goes on super thin, which of course then makes it last longer and look nicer, and you don't get that like weird line inside of your lips when you wear a liquid lipstick, because normally if it's like a thicker formula, it kind of like, you have to be careful and apply it super thin so it doesn't dry out your lips and you don't have that weird line inside of your lips. This one does not do that because of its super thin watery formula, and it dries like this. I have it on right now, and again, it's super thin and it doesn't dry out your lips. That's what I like about it a lot, because your lips don't look, you don't have those like lines on your lips, and it just looks beautiful, and I literally want every single shade they have. And lastly, I got a lip gloss from the Sephora brand. This is just their Lip Plumper Sephora brand in the shade 01. This is like almost clear, to be honest with you. Just like a clear lip gloss. Smells good, smells minty. I did like a nice chunk of it in here. yeah, it's just like a clear lip gloss, nothing special, but I like to have these kind of on the go or to put over something like this. I think it would look super, super pretty. So I got that because it was inexpensive. It smells good. It's a nice color. It's a lip plumper. And I never tried these before, but I know that they just came out with like 4 or 5 new shades. So if you're interested, you can definitely take a look. They have a lot more shade ranges now than they did before. I finally covered everything I purchased. It was like a decent haul, I would say. Not too many things, but definitely some really cool and fun products I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.